Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I want to show off a new feature where you can actually add contents of a replan order into your cart. Now you might be wondering why you'd want to do that. See, a lot of customers would like to effectively charge any franchise stores they may have within their corporation, and this way they can actually physically use themselves as a supplier hub and then invoice the franchises accordingly. So I'll show you what I mean by this. So what I'll do is I'll lock myself in and then let me have a little quick look at the replenishment stock. So for example, this one here, say this one here, this is actually for one of my franchises. So I'm getting used as a supplier hub. I then get all these items in, I then send them over to my franchise, and then I want to be able to charge and invoice them accordingly. So what I'll do is I'll make a quick note of the actual the actual replan order, which is number 9. We'll close this one now and then we'll open your sales screen up. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to actually add my franchise as a customer into the cart. So I've already created one. So this is my franchise store like so. Pop that in there like so. And then what I can do is I've got a special little feature, a little button here now. Click on that one and then click on 9. And what that will do is bring in all the items from that particular replan order. Now, as you can see, obviously the total to pay is based on the selling price. Obviously, I don't want to charge them the selling price. I can technically charge them what I like, but what I'll do is I will charge them just the actual supplier costs. So, quickest and easiest way of doing that is I've set up a pricing level for them. So if I go over to customer options and go to select price level, I'll go for 5, and there you have it. So it's dropped down to 55249. So I can do a little quick double check on that. So if I then nip over to replenishment stock, I can then see, there you go, 55249. So that's basically how much that particular order is. I can give that a quick close. And then what I can do then is I can actually charge that as an invoice against their account. So what I can do now is I can literally click on alternative payment. And then what I can do is I can pay with credit. I'll click OK on that. I can then fill out any details, any references that might require for it, the actual replan order, the replan order of 9 in there. And then what I can do is I can actually get it sent off and then actually email them an actual invoice as well, so they can see it all for their own records. So I'll accept that now. And there you go, all them items then get taken off my system, and now they've effectively been charged as though they were an actual customer. So if I actually go back to that particular order here and then check on what they've got here, so there's the actual invoice there. So the invoice 16 for reference of replan order 9, that's how much they physically owe me, and then they can pay you however way they normally pay you, and then you can take it off and use the actual system to process it and look after your actual franchise stores as well, and be charged them accordingly. So there you have it. I do hope that's been helpful. Thank you much for watching. Check us out next time. See you now.